some seed. We hadn't had rain here in the last couple months, so I hadn't been able to plant, but I finally got some rain today, October 1st. We're planting this Antler King grade 8, and then this right here, Evolved Harvest. See what happens, hopefully it grows. Alright, got it tilled up. I'm going to plant this in about half of it, and then that's in the other half, so let's get it planted. Alright, we got it planted, got all the seed in, so hopefully it'll grow. It's supposed to get a little more rain tonight, so once it starts coming up, I'll give y'all a look at it. Hopefully I'll be hunting here soon in some different spots. So.